So Dad turned 76 on Tuesday, had the flu, but Saturday wanted to go and do what he's always loved. Bought his first beagles from a trade lot when he was 13 years old, had them ever since. So thank you, Dad, for teaching me about the outdoors, teaching me about hunting. Happy birthday, I love you. Hope God gives you many more years to enjoy what you love. Amen. Beautiful land we're hunting today. And that right there, folks, is why you see that chair hanging around his neck. But you don't see a whole lot of 76-year-olds getting out here in these briars, stomping around. That's what's kept him young and healthy. Many more years of hunting.